Welcome back, people. So we got another video on the Samebike L026, the M9. This is the mountain bike 500 watt version, so it doesn't really matter if you use the 500 watt or the 350 watt. This is still going to work for you. So I don't really know what to call this video, so I'm going to call it battery hack maintenance, because it's kind of like a life hack anyway. But most of you guys have already done this. I've left loads of people have left comments and asking me what am I talking about, and again, some of you have already told me to do this, so a lot of you have helped me out by saying this. But I took my bike off road and I kept getting this really bad rattling noise, and it comes from the battery inside the bike. So the way to fix it, people told me to put some tape, which I call it wire tape, but this is another name for it just here. So there we go. You can buy this from your local bike shop. No, you can buy this from your local DIY shop. You could probably buy it online on Amazon. I bought this on eBay, and 6 rolls, and it gave me, I think it was like £3 something, so it wasn't very much, don't cost very much. A good little battery life hack which will help you along your ways to stop that horrible rattling. And there's nothing worse, I don't know about you guys, but me myself, whenever I'm riding this bike, I cannot stand any kind of noise. Like, the noise that you get from the motor is not that loud, so that's okay, I can bear with that, but I can't bear with the battery sound rattling. So I did do that, and we've made some videos of off-road on this bike, and we had no sound at all on the bike, completely silent other than hearing the motor, which is quite a nice sound to actually hear. We changed the brakes on this bike from mechanical brakes to hydraulic pull brakes. We put on our own throttle. We've done a lot of different things, upgraded the tyres, the inner tubes, that kind of thing. All different upgrades on the bike you can check out across the channel. We've also done a speed hack on this, which again you could check out, and at some point I'm going to do a test on how far I can go on using the standard 10.4 amp battery, which this is the standard one that the bike comes with. I'm going to do a throttle only test. Now again, I probably ain't going to go as far as what it could do, because I have increased and made it top end speed, which is 26 miles an hour. Again, we've done a video on how to do the speed hack and loads of videos on showing the actual different settings of the bike as well, and you can check it all out. So to start off with, this is what I did. So there to there, pretty much just on the corner, that's where we're doing it, and then I fold it over again. I've already done this, but I pulled all the tape off, brought more tape just to show some people that haven't done this, because there's obviously going to be a few out there that haven't done it. And again, loads of people told me just to put a bit of tape just around here and around the top and a bit on the middle. But again, you can do that, it does help, but I don't want any sound at all. So this is basically what I did, is what I'm showing you right now. And this worked absolutely perfect. Me taking it off road, I did not hear one sound from this at all. So as you can see there, I put it on them 2 corners, and then I'm going to flip it round. I'm going to put it on all the corners. I'm going to do that twice. Now the thicker you make it is the better it's going to be, and the reason why is because you can always squeeze it into your bike. Now you don't want to go over the top on it, because if you put too much tape, and then you're going to have a problem trying to get this into your bike. So don't go over the top on it, just basically do what I'm doing. Or you can do it your own sort of way. This is just my way of doing it, so I'm just showing you that. That's it. So this is a spare bit of tape that I had left from doing it before, and as I said, this is the only roll I've got left, so I ran out because I've already done it. So that's why I brought some more and wanted to show you the actual name. I call it wire tape. I've called it wire tape forever, and I still am going to call it wire tape. But installating tape. And yeah, £3.49 for a packet of 6 of them, really good. So now I've done that all the way around, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to open up these, and I'm going to need to take out some more, because we're definitely going to need quite a bit of this. You probably ain't going to need all 6 rolls, but I just brought that because it come in a pack. You can buy them on their own, and you can buy a big massive roll of these, but anyway. So I do all the corners twice. The 4 corners I've done twice. So that's the second layer for that one. Then we need the second layer for this one. And this, you can check it out on the channel, us doing off-road, and there has not been one sound at all from my battery, which is absolutely awesome. And as what I'm doing is, as well as putting it on the corners, I'm also folding it over here on the bottom of the battery as well. So when this pushes up into the frame, I've got a little bit of tape there. It's actually quite surprising on how good this tape works. Now, I had another idea. Just going to show you that really quick. Okay. My other idea was bubble wrap. Put bubble wrap around the battery, tape it up. You know, it's that one that you get when you buy packages and that kind of thing. I got plenty of it, so I could have done it. But the reason why I didn't is because, I don't know, there could be a chance it could catch on fire. It could get too hot. I very much doubt it. I don't think it really would, but again, I don't really want to take that chance. So because of that, this is the way we are doing it. So as you can see on here, we've got the one layer there, and we've got the one layer here. Oh, hold on, I messed that one up. Oh no, there we go. I forgot where I did the first layer. Did I? hold on, let me check. Okay, so there's okay, there's okay. Let's come around here to the next stage. There we go. So yeah, I just put 2 layers on either side, just to try and basically counter the vibration and the sound of the battery as much as I possibly can. I'm going to put this after I'm going to put it into the bike. Come around here, B. After this, I'm going to put it into the bike and show you that it is a very, very snug fit, which is okay. It's fine, because I don't, most people say you need to take the battery out to charge it up, but you don't, because there's no problem you leaving it in the bike whilst you do it. I've always charged the bike with the battery being inside the bike, and that's fine for me to do so. Okay, I'm going to put one extra one on here. Again, this is just my way of doing it. You don't have to do it exactly how I've done it. So I've got an extra one on here, and now I've done that, I now put this tape here right in the middle, come across the bottom, round, and then just pull it off. And then on the top here, I come round, put it right on that silver line up to the black bit, and then we go round. So that way we're not covering the charge port, because there, where my thumb's touching, there's the charge port. We don't want to cover that. We're just going to go round, again, not covering the key part either. So I go round about 4 times. By doing this, again, it's just going to stop as much vibration as possible. Okay, so now we've done that. Again, it's going to be a bit of a snug fit to get it in there, but it's okay. And then in the middle, we come round. That's 1, 2, 3. There we go, 4 times round there. And then on the bottom we do the same. Don't worry about covering up the sticker. I put the tape on there before, pulled it off, and it doesn't destroy the sticker at the bottom telling you the information about the battery, so you don't have to worry about that. You're all good there. And the same goes on the bottom. Go around about 4 times. Now you can adjust this over time. You can add more tape if you wanted to, but I think 4 times is quite a snug fit to get it in there. So alright, that's it. So now we've done that, I take the battery and I test it in my bike. So put it into the bike and we'll see how snug, well, how snug it fits in there. Okay, so that's quite, I do have to put a bit of force in there. And then that last bit, I really have to put force in. That is perfect. Now to take it out, again, that's all we do. As we grab that and just pull. It is a bit stiff, obviously, taking the battery in and out, but then I always charge my battery inside the bike anyway. So, and now it is a little bit easier to pull in and out because we forced it in there. So just to finish it off, I get my tape, and this is what I do. I just come round there, put it on the bottom, straight up the center, up to there. I just want to try and avoid as much noise from vibration as I possibly can. That probably isn't really going to do much by putting that there, but we're just going to do it just because of the fact we can. And if I ever buy a new battery, I'll be doing exactly the same thing again, just because it will stop the vibration and the sound. Okay, last thing on this side, I'm going to make this side a little bit thicker. Only on one side I am, just because I want it to be really tight in there. Now by using this tape, if the battery ever did get hot, this tape wouldn't set on fire. So that's a good thing to note, that this is very safe to do this. There we go. Now when I put this in, it's going to be quite stiff to put in there, but with a bit of force and a bit of wiggling, we can get it in. Put the key in there to lock it back in. And again, if you don't know how to take the battery in and out because you're having a problem, we did another video on that as well. We've done lots of different things. Look across the channel. If you ever do have any problems with electric bikes, let us know, because I could always help you out. We use like face cam and mic when we do live streams. We live stream games, we upload videos on electric bikes, electric scooters, all random different things. You can check it out across the channel. Hope this one helped you out. If it did, subscribe for more updates. We're going to be taking this off-road a lot more as well. Also, we're going to be doing some on-road, different types of things, different upgrades if we need to over time. Hope you guys did enjoy this one. I hope it helped you out with your rattling battery, because it definitely helped me big time, that's for sure. Drop a like, subscribe, turn notifications on. We catch you people again soon for some more fun and games. I'm out.